Now it's time for canvas and rotate. In Photoshop, there's canvas size and there's image size, and these are two completely separate things. Today we're going to deal with canvas size. Now, what is a canvas? A canvas is just like on a piece of artwork. If you're a painter, you're going to paint on a canvas. Now, the canvas is a set dimension. If you're a painter and on a photo, it's the same thing. But in Photoshop, because we're dealing with digital images, we can actually manipulate the canvas size. We can make it bigger, or we can make the canvas size smaller. But one thing is important to know is that it doesn't affect the actual image size, because image size is something completely different, and we're going to get to that later. So let's deal with canvas size now. So let's go ahead and please read this on your own. But steps for completion here, we're going to go ahead and go to open an image in Photoshop. This can be any image that you've taken this year. So I'm just going to select one I have here, bring it up. And number 2 is select canvas size. But it doesn't tell us where canvas size is. That's where I come in. So go ahead at the top where it says Photoshop, and always remember, if it doesn't say Photoshop, you probably clicked in something else. Make sure you click on the Photoshop workspace. And we're going to go to image and canvas size. Look what's above is image size. That's not what we want. Below is image rotation. We'll get to that later. So click canvas size. Dialog boxes look very similar. Ours is just a little darker because it's newer. And it looks like my image size is measured in pixels, but that's a quick fix. I can change that to inches. Okay. And here it says change the canvas size. So what I'm going to do, what I'd like you to do as well, is I'd like you to make it a little bit bigger. So my width is 13 inches. I'm going to go ahead and make that 15 inches. And then my height is 20 inches. I'm going to go ahead and make that 23 inches. And there we go. So there's a few other factors that we have here. We have anchor. Now the anchor means where is my picture going to set according to the canvas size. That again, I'm going to get to later. But for now, I just want you to think about what's going to happen when I push OK. When I push OK, because I made my canvas size bigger, what am I going to see? Is my image going to grow? If my canvas grows, what is that going to look like? So take a minute, think about it, and let's see. Okay, so just like I predicted, what happens is my image didn't get any bigger. My canvas is the thing that grew. So I have a little more room. What that looks like now, it looks like almost a Polaroid picture, or it looks like a mat that I've set around my image. Kind of looks pretty neat. So what I need to do now is I need to take a screenshot, and please do not just take a screenshot of the image. I'd like you to take a screenshot of the entire interface, including your name. Let's go ahead and make sure my name's there. There we go, perfect. So how do I take a screenshot? Command Shift 4 brings up the crosshairs, and perfect. Number 2, use the image rotation to alter the image, then take a screenshot. Okay, so image rotation is an image, and then we're going to go down to image rotation. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I'm going to go ahead and flip my sun 180 degrees. There we go. Once again, take a screenshot, Command Shift 4, and here we go, and done. So the first one's pretty much, or is completely finished actually. Number 7 says save your screenshots in a Word document. No, we're not going to do that. Go ahead and save these. Make sure they should be on your desktop. Hold on to them for now, because we're going to compile them in a little bit.